Hey guys, we received this Epicka Universal Travel Adapter for test and try. So let's open and see what this product is and how useful. So this product is actually useful for international travelers where they have to use a different wall chargers with the switches. So my first impression is a very nice carry box and pouch. So you can see like it comes in this very nice cute um, pouch where you can store this one. So there's some literature, some extra fuse, and yeah, so the logo and stuff. So it's pretty much straightforward use, and this is a small passport one where you can just put in your entry. This also comes with this extra fuse that you can use, and this also comes with this USB-C to USB. So you can put any USB-C here, and then you can convert this USB-C to USB based on your use. So it's pretty much have a good accessories and everything is explained here. So let me remove all this protective covering, and so I can show you the product. So here you can use any country power plug. So it can be USA, EU, UK, Australia, and then you can also use or put it in a different power adapters that I will show it here. So you have a USB-C here, as you can see, so you can charge any device, and these are the things. So this is like say the US plug, so you can just use it. So now it will not even come out without pressing this button. So once you press this button, then this will come out. So while putting in the power, it's not come up. So it's the UK or Indian switch, and then this is the other like EU or Australia. So basically you can use any type of port here, and you can use any type of power adapter in this here. So it have this 4 USB, one USB-C, and then the power plug. So you can charge 6 devices all at once time. So it's pretty much nice. So see, you can put this and you make it turn it to a USB-C also. So accessories are provided, the other things are provided. So I put it in here, and you can see this goes in the US plug. So one is charging with the electric here, one I'm trying to charge with the USB, and other with the USB-C. So basically it's a very helpful thing in on a travel, because you don't know what type of power adapter you will be using. You can just carry this and put everywhere. And the most likely thing is like this the passport thing or booklet comes with the different countries flag that you can use on your passport booklet that comes with this adapter. So basically it's a very fun, very helpful power adapter, I will say, and it's very nicely made, the quality wise, as my all other things are charging. So hopefully this is also useful to you.